perfect. I'm saying perfect. My school name is Tata Social International School. The topic is animals. Love animals. Animals is like domestic animals, cow, donkey, camel, forest animals is lion, tiger, cheetah. Water animals is fish, starfish, dolphin. Pet I like pet animals. My pet